Diva dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another try on haul video. Now I know you dolls love when I bring you these fashion try on haul videos, so I went ahead and sampled some new stores from my channel. I picked up a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I even partnered with Scentbird so I can share with you dolls a couple of exciting new things. So if you want to see what it is that I picked up, first of all, stop what you're doing, subscribe to this channel, and of course, stay tuned. First up is this outfit that I have on. This particular outfit, I think is pretty cute. I can wear this on a date night. I can throw on a little jacket or maybe even a duster, but this particular top is like a bralette. It's an actual bodysuit though. So I'm okay with that. So you don't have a whole lot of skin out. Now this is like a nude color and it's a little bit too fair for me, but I don't think it looks horrible, okay? So this particular top I really do like because of the detail with the lace, and it's an actual, zip down, zip up, so you can be a little risque if you want like that, or you can keep it zipped all the way up. But pretty much with this particular top, I do like it. I think it's really dainty and it's really feminine. Now it has these built-in cups which are not supportive at all. I do have on a strapless bra with this because of that, and then also in the back they have those straps which is actually adjustable, but again it doesn't really help in a situation like this. So this top is plus size. You still gotta wear a bra, I would say so, unless you don't need a bra naturally, but I think it's given real Instagram baddie, real cutie pie vibes, and I like it. Now these pants I also got from the same company. I think they're really comfortable and they stretch really well. They even help with the gap. In fact, now this dress is from 2020 Ave, and I had to get real close at first. I want y'all to see how this dress is shimmering. Do you see that light? Yes. So really surprised at the material. When you touch it, it kind of like scratches you a little bit, but it's okay because I like that it's not super glittery. Okay, so what do you think? Now this particular dress again is from 2020 Ave and it's from the plus size section. I do have to say I like the way it fits. It's not tight at all. It's not see-through at all. It's really pretty. Like this type of dress you can wear on a regular date. You don't have to wear it on like a certain occasion. Like sometimes when you get sparkly items, you feel like it's only good for like birthdays or holidays, okay? So you can wear this at any time and kill it. So it's like a little black dress, which I was looking for, but I wanted something a little dressier, and I think this gives you that good amount of glamour without being overboard. Okay. I actually have pants really similar to these from another company, and to be honest, they fit the same. So if you're looking for an alternative for jean companies out there, this company definitely has you covered. And again, this is a plus size jean. Okay dolls, so you already know what's next. If you are looking good, your makeup's beat, your hair's done, you got a super cute outfit on, you have to smell good too. So you already know I partner with Scentbird, and with Scentbird, they send you these really cute items. Like look how cute these are. Like I love this lavender and this purple color, like they are so cute. So if you're wondering what this is, these are actual perfumes. But anyways, I really do love these. So this particular smell, you get to pick them. I just want to tell y'all real quick because they have Gucci, they have Prada. I love their Burberry. That's my favorite daily smell. The Burberry London. They have like so many different options for you, but they have designer ones that are also like new or up and coming or like independent. So you can try them out. So I got some new ones this time. This is called Arquist. I think I'm saying it right. A-R-Q-U-I-S-T, Sydney Rockpool. Oh, that smells good. Oh my gosh, it smells like notes that are like floral. I kind of smell like grapefruit. That's really fruity. Now the thing is, I like to mix fruity with like baseline like woodsy kind of smells. I like to wear two at once. So if you're someone like me, you get to inexpensively do that. You don't have to buy a $60, $80, $120 bottle of perfume. You can spend $14.99. You can upgrade, get 2 in a month, and you can mix and match them to make your own signature smell. Okay, so that's definitely awesome. This one is Anna Sui. It's called Fantasia. Let's see. Oh, that's That's nice too. Oh, that smells good. It's kind of like, it's really soft, really faint. Kind of like powdery. It has like a powdery floral scent to it. This one's called History's Day Perfumes, Ombre 114. That's this one. Again, a whole lot in here, like 120, 140 sprays. It should last you for over a month, but definitely at least a month. Okay, let's spray this one, see what it smells like. That one smells kind of spicy. This one might be a cologne, I don't know. That one has like a spicy, powdery smell to it. So with the perfumes, they put them inside of the packages like this, and you actually can just open it, spray it, and then you'll go ahead and close it and toss it in your bag. So I love this because you don't have to worry about spilling, and it's definitely a decent size. In fact, I go all the time when I'm in a department store trying out new fragrances, and they give you these little samples. Sometimes you have to buy them, but they're like this big, y'all. So look at this size. This is huge. This is like over 120 sprays. So you get one of these every single month. You get to choose what you want. If you already have your perfumes, like I said, you can get the unisex ones or the men and gift it away. But I really do adore this. In fact, if you didn't want to even get perfume, they have a new skincare line, and they even have cosmetics, okay? So you can upgrade, you can get multiple products in a month. It's like unbelievable. It's only $14.99 a month, and if you actually use my discount, you'll get 30% off, okay? So use CC30, save yourself some coins, and I'll put that link right down below in the box.
Okay, so this particular item is from CURVY 926, which is an online boutique which caters to all sizes. So basically size small up to size 4X. Now this particular outfit I really do adore. Any kind of jumper or one-piece style where you can just throw it on, get dressed, put on some shoes, and head out the door is definitely something that I love. Now this particular outfit will accentuate your waist because of the tie that it comes with. I love the bell sleeve details, and I definitely love that it reaches past my ankles, so when I wear it with heels or a sandal, it definitely does not look too short. If you haven't heard of CURVY 926, I definitely recommend for you to check it out. There's definitely something there for everyone, and so far I definitely recommend it. Okay, now this particular outfit I did pick up from ROSEWE. Now this again is a new brand for my channel. Just wanted to grab a couple of pieces to check it out. Now I was really surprised with this particular item because I thought it was going to be thinner material, but it's a nice material, and I do like that it has the zippers, and this has cute detail along the hem and also along the arms. Now with this particular item, I do think it could have been a little bit more fitted towards the bottom and on my arms, but I do think for the most part, everything fits true to size. And here we go, honey. Like, you know I'm extra. So when I saw this on the site, again from ROSEWE, I definitely wanted to check it out. So this is a wrap dress. Now, my measurements I'll put down below. It does fit me kind of openly. So if you're smaller, if your hips are smaller, it definitely will wrap a little bit better. But I still adore this because it's long, it's lightweight, and it's a pretty fabric and design. So this is a wrap dress that essentially when you untie it, it will open like a robe. So you can even perhaps wear it as a duster. It just really depends on your style. But again, a new brand for the channel, and you guys let me know what you think about this.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. Let me know, what do you think of this haul? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that. It's free, and I'll put the links for that in the box down below, as well as my fitness and my vlog channel too. So last but not least, if you don't follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @CRYSTALCHANEL. If you shopped any of these stores or websites before, you know what to do. Leave a comment down below. Let the Diva Dolls know what your experience was. And of course, again, I do have that special discount for you, which is CC30 for Scentbird. You'll get 30% off your first month, and you can definitely choose any fragrance there. You can even upgrade your order, okay? So check the link down below for that. So I know it's a little different than I normally do because I picked a little bit of this, a little bit of that from a couple of stores and put it all together. I just want you dolls to get a feel for what's out there. I'm trying something new for my channel. So give me a thumbs up if you like this.